friends, students, welcome back to my channel. So again, one more project, a very simple project for beginners. That is simple industrial fire smoke alarm system. Here, what is the difference? What we have done is, we have taken a single IC, that is LM358, a gas sensor, a flame sensor, relay module, LED, and buzzer. And we have connected it to only single IC, that is the gas sensor works on analog, whereas digital sensor works on digital. That is, it has a digital output. So how we have combined it, you can see in this particular video or project. So let's start with it. So dual channel industrial safety, we can call it dual channel industrial safety, simultaneous fire and smoke using LM358 IC. We engineering a dual channel protection system by leveraging both, right? It is both amplifier with the single LM358 IC. Both the side you have the same IC, that is both optional amplifier with a single LM358 IC to monitor fire and smoke simultaneously. By calibrating independent voltage comparator, there are two comparators. So we have used both the comparator, but in one comparator we have connected a digital and another analog. We have balanced it. Okay. So comparator for infrared and gas sensor. We build this gap between basic circuit theory and industrial safety standard. So very simple circuit, very cheap, based on simple this thing. Anybody can make it, especially the beginners. They can try it for their homes or for their office or for their industry purpose. But of course, we have given name as the industrial or home fire smoke alarm system. Okay. Right. So the features are flame detection, smoke detection, adjustable sensitivity is there, manual reset is there. You can reset it manually. Power LED is there. Low cost analog design, no microcontroller required. This is very important. There is no microcontroller required. So two sensors, these are the two sensor main sensor, that is one is MQ2, or you can take any other gas sensor also, 135 or other, and this is the flame sensor. Okay. Right. Component required, as we have given a list component, LM358, MQ2 sensor, flame sensor, buzzer, you can connect it after the relay because we have used the relay also. LED and 3547 transistors we have used, that is NPN transistor. Few 10 kilo ohm resistor, 330 ohm resistor, 10 kilo ohm, again with some 2 more 4 resistor we have used, 1K resistor, 100 nanofarad capacitor, and a 12 volt or 5 volt DC supply. In my case, I've used a 5 volt regulator. That means I've given from the battery to the input of the regulator. From the regulator, I've taken 5 volts. Okay, right. So this is a simple schematic diagram. I have made it on Tinkercad. So how the connections will be there, you can just see 5 volt. This is my sensor. This is not PR sensor, of course. This is your flame sensor. This is my gas sensor. Both the output from LM393. You can use 393 also. You can use 358 also. Both of them are dual. Okay. So from there, I've taken it through a diode. This two diodes are combined together, and which is going to drive this relay, as well as it will give you the LED is connected to LED. So I've given 9 volt supply to the input. From output, all my circuit is working on 5 volt. Okay. Application, where do we use it? Industrial fire alarm, chemical plant, and server room, electrical control panels, boiler rooms, laboratories, manufacturing facilities, main storage room, and storage areas. So there we use it. Okay. So let's go with very simple, nothing more to make you understand. Let's go to our lab and check out the things, how does it work. So we are in our lab now. So just to give you a little idea about what is the circuit all about. So one by one, I will just tell you. First, starting from here, that is from the left hand side. This is my flame sensor. This has a digital output. This one, digital output. This is my gas sensor, which has analog output. So analog output directly I've connected to my IC. That is, my IC is 358. Okay, right. So which has two options to connect. Okay, dual. It's a dual IC. So for this purpose, that is for my flame sensor, I've used a transistor and I've balanced with a resistor. I'll show you the circuit also. So I've used a transistor, and the output I have taken and I've given it to the input of the second IC. Okay, this is the IC second pin. Okay, common pin, that is pin number 1 and pin number 7. Okay, pin number 1 and pin number 7 are connected together with a IN4148 diode. You can see here, right? That orange pin, this orange wire is coming and going to again to the base of this, and collector is connected to this light. Okay, at the same time, I have taken one more output through a transistor, this transistor, and I have given it to my relay. That means the relay other side I can connect buzzer, light, flashlight, alarm, anything. So what is the name of the project? The name of the project is industrial or home fire and smoke alarm system for beginners. This is very simple circuit, no microcontroller, only operational amplifier, and using two sensors, how you will connect to the operational amplifier. And if suppose one sensor is digital and one is analog, so how you are going to connect it, how you are going to balance it with the help of a resistor, and so that it works well. So two 10K potentiometer I have used here, two 10K potentiometer for balancing purpose. One is for gas and another one is for flame. Okay, right. So I'll just give you a small demo. You can just check. So I will put a gas on this, that is through my lighter. I'm putting a gas on this. You can see the light has come, the relay has started. Okay, the light has come, and automatically when the gas come down, it will automatically go off. Okay, okay, now it is okay. At the same time, if there is a flame, you can see at that time also it will. I will try to just put a flame on this. You can see the light has come because continuously it is not there. So at that time, it is the light has come and the relay has also started. So whole circuit works. The sensor both work with 5 volt. Even my circuit works with 5 volt. I have used two batteries. That is approximately 7.5 volts, which is given to the input of 7805 regulator, and output I have given connection to this, both the sensor as well as my circuit. Very simple circuit, very easy to make, and you can try it. That is for beginners and all. You should start with this so that you understand what is the operational amplifier, how the sensors can be connected to the operational amplifier, and how it will work. You can see here. Okay, so I'll be sharing the circuit also. I've given you the complete this thing. You can add here one more IC, that is 555 IC, for timing purpose. That means the relay switch on and off you can control with the help of a timer. So I can use a timer IC. I can use a timer IC for giving different type of noise and sound. That everything can be added up. Okay, so this is simple circuit for the beginners. Right? Okay, I hope you will like it. I will share all the circuit diagram and explanation with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.